So one of the types of plugins that you can utilize inside of ChatGPT is AutoExpert. So to do that, you need to go around onto Explore GPTs right here and type in AutoExpert right here, just like this. Once I go around and type that in, then you can see that AutoExpert is an option right here. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So this is AutoExpert, as you can see right here, and you can go around and then ask regarding plumbing and then ask regarding quantum mechanics, as you can see right here, anything technical that is right here. So over here you can see that there's a plumbing leak right here. So if I were to go around and ask this in right here, then what happens is that it simply goes around and gives you step-by-step information on how to do the plumbing leak right here, just like this. So this is what you have. As you can see, you can ask about plumbing and anything mechanical right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say I want to fix my water heater. It doesn't seem to work. What shall I do right here, just like this? So if I were to go around and do that right here, then what happens is that it simply goes around and then it says turn up the power, turn up the water supply, and identify the problem right here and so forth, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and utilize the AutoExpert plugin inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.